Self-development, LETV. Air pollution and menarche, a cause of accelerated puberty in girls. Today we're going to talk about recent studies that have shown an earlier age of menarche in girls and air pollution as one of the causes. This topic has shocked many people in our society, and it's becoming an important issue. Let's dive into the details. Recently, a new study was released in the United States showing that air pollution is causing girls to menarche earlier. According to the study, modern girls are starting their periods up to 4 years earlier than they did 100 years ago. For example, girls born between 1950 and 1969 started their periods at an average age of 12.5, while girls born in the early 2000s are starting their periods at an average age of 11.9. This is a global trend. Even in South Korea, the number of girls showing signs of precocious puberty increased 16 times in 2020 compared to 2008. Experts warn that air pollution is playing a large role in this change. Early puberty is particularly prevalent in lower socioeconomic groups and ethnic minorities, which can lead to long-term health problems. Early puberty can lead to a number of health problems. Studies have shown that early puberty can lead to a shorter lifespan as well as a shorter period of fertility due to early menopause. It also increases the likelihood of developing a variety of diseases, including breast cancer, ovarian cancer, obesity, type 2, diabetes, and cardiovascular disease. For example, it is theorized that prolonged exposure of human cells to sex hormones, such as estrogen, may increase the risk of tumor development. Early puberty can also lead to social problems. Girls who go through puberty early are more likely to become sexually active at an earlier age, which can lead to problems such as unwanted pregnancies, especially in regions with low access to contraception and abortion. For example, in the United States, where abortion was recently made illegal and access to contraception is limited, early puberty can exacerbate social problems. The causes of this earlier age of menarche in girls are complex, and air pollution plays an important role. The onset of puberty is determined by two extensive communication networks in the body: the hypothalamic pituitary adrenal (HPA) axis and the hypothalamic pituitary gonadal (HPG) axis. These axes connect the brain to the hypothalamus and several hormone-secreting glands that regulate a variety of essential bodily functions, from hunger to thermoregulation. Until 10 to 20 years ago, scientists thought the only cause of early puberty was childhood obesity. Adipokines secreted by fat cells were thought to stimulate the HPA-HPG axis. However, recent research suggests that air pollution is another important factor. For example, researchers in South Korea have found that toxic gases such as sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, carbon monoxide, and ozone may play a role in accelerating puberty. These gases are released into the air through vehicle exhaust or waste from manufacturing plants. In conclusion, the causes of earlier menarche in girls are complex, and air pollution plays an important role. Scientists are continuing to conduct research to further clarify the causes of this phenomenon. With this information, we can continue our efforts to reduce pollution and protect the health of our children. Source: BBC News, David Cox. Thanks for Whackthing.